So what is regression testing? Regression testing means we are always checking the side effects of the changes or maintenance activity. Regression testing में क्या दिया जाता है कि whatever the defects were fixing, due to the fixing of any defects, any new defect has been introduced into the rest of the model. That's why we are performing the regression testing on the rest of the models only. So regression testing always check the side effects, adverse side effects. Okay. So we are taking one of the example of the regression testing. Regression testing is just like, for example, suppose model A and model B is there. We are finding the defects in the model A and we are fixing those defects in the model A itself. After the fixing, we are performing the confirmation testing, that is the retesting. And due to fixing those defects, any new defect has been introduced into the model B. That is called as regression testing. That means regression is always performed on the model B. That means on which model we are fixing the defects and which model we are just taking the side effects. So retesting always performs on the same model. Regression testing is always performs on the other models. Suppose we are taking one more example. Suppose one of the HRM is there. In that HRM, we are just finding the defects in the attendance model. Okay, and after the finding defects, we are fixing those defects, and after the fixing, we are just confirm that whether all the defects have been resolved or not. That is called as retesting. And due to fixing those defects in the attendance module, any new defect has been introduced in the rest of the all modules from the HRM. For that purpose, we are performing the regression testing on the rest of all the modules. That is called as regression testing. So, what will be the next question related to the software testing? Just comment below.